The DX26-P Rotary Grinder. Built job site tough. The DX26-P engineered specifically for the concrete prep and polishing contractor. Counter rotating heads and features to ease operator fatigue and increase productivity. A foldable handle for easy operation and compact storage. LED lighting to improve visibility. Transportation grill to enhance job site maneuverability. Adjustable weights to tune in-head pressure. Robust gears to drive tool plates. Grinds close to the wall to reduce edge grinding. Easy belt replacement. EPA and CARB certified. Propane engine provides optimal performance with more uptime and lower emissions. Easy tooling change with magnetic plates. The vacuum hose attachment allows the unit to run wet or dry. The DX26-P, built job site tough.